yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing it. I got it from Flipkart. Yeah, and so yeah, let's just I got scissors here. So yeah, so I bought it from Flipkart. Yeah, so let's just so yeah, so just cut it open. Yeah, okay, so this is my first time. So this is not my first phone, but yeah, it's first time buying on Flipkart. I buy it manually. Yeah, we got the receipt. Yeah, okay. You take it out. Oh, okay. So that's the phone. This is nothing. Just the phone. Yeah. Okay, so let's get into it. So yeah, let me just carefully. So yeah, just done with that. And yeah, oh, we got one more, huh? So this is a tamper-proof seal. Yeah, it's just to remove it. Okay, so yeah, just got it out. And yeah, so mine is a 4 GB one, and I don't think it's too much. I have it's a 4 GB RAM. These are all the specs. 5000 mAh battery, and it's a MediaTek Helio processor. So yeah. Oh, I think we have one more here. I'm just so yeah, that is the last. I think so. Okay, so I think I have one more. God, how many tapes? Yeah, so that is the last one. I hope so. So yeah, this is the phone. Let's unbox it. Yeah, so I think we do it like this. Yeah, so and ta-da, that's nothing. Okay, that's the phone. It's a blue one. Yeah, and I just got the fingerprint here. Okay, that doesn't matter. Let's just keep it like that inside the phone. uh Inspiration from Technical Guruji, so that doesn't matter. And we got, I think this is the sim ejector. Yeah, we got something inside. Let me just carefully put this inside so that I don't damage the phone. Okay, that's as smooth as I can get. Okay, so yep, so this is, I think, the manual. Yeah, let's roll this thing. That's the manual. Yeah, it's just the sim ejector. Just keep it on side, and we have the battery. So I don't think they have anything specific, just the battery. That is the adapter for the mobile. We got the cable, so that's pretty basic, but I'm not complaining. Yeah, and this thing is kind of sticky. What is it? It's void. Okay, so yeah, if you wanna check the specs. Okay, yeah, a bit. And okay, now I don't know if it's charged or something. Okay, so let me just am I supposed I don't have the courage of. Okay, let me just see if I can ace it. I think the flash is too much. Oh yeah, that is as smooth as I can get. Okay, so yeah, this is the phone. Let me see if we can on this up. Hopefully, there's some charge. Okay, it's on, and we can see it's powered by Android and it's Redmi. Just love it. Just love the color. Yeah, seriously love it. I think this is coral green or something like that. Oh wow, nice, nice. Oh yeah. Oh, it's doing something. I think you guys got it. Yeah, it's doing something after all. Okay, just a second. So, yeah, it's 11. Okay, so but yeah, I think I got a setup. Yeah, I'll just be right back. So just got the setup complete. This is just loading the apps. By the way, I can see something's flickering, but whoa, something is definitely flickering out there. I don't know if that is something to be afraid of, but if you, it's 44 percentage. Actually, it was 45, but yeah, it'll be good. I'm so excited. Oh yeah. Why the hell is it flickering? I don't see. Like if you turn off the, see, oh, it's still flickering. Is it? No, it's not visible for me for some reason. But yeah, something is happening down there. Yeah. Ta-da! Okay, it's open and okay. Not now, not now. It is the basic Netflix. We got Netflix. Wow, nice, nice, and it's so nice. It's great to touch a phone after a long time. You know, I actually have this phone. Let's see. Let's check. I'll be in a very bad position. Yeah, not for now, buddy. Okay, okay, okay. Let me see. Oh, there I am. It's my old phone and a lamp is just there. That's nice. Let's say it's nice. I'm actually, if you can see the reason why I changed the phone is something related to the tag, which you can see here. If you can't, okay, this one. See the tag one there? Yeah, that's the reason I'm changing. Okay, so it has a lot of options. Camera settings, nice, nice. Oh, time lapse. Okay, nice. Yeah, yeah. I'm thankful to God, so that as I got it. I swear that's not the correct time. Something around 5:30 or something. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. That's the phone. I don't know. My first time reviewing, but it was nice. And that was Redmi 99 Sport for you. Checked it, and this actually coral green variant. So yeah, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. Yeah, so it's all same. So yeah, that's the reason I just that. Okay, so yeah, and share your experience, like how, because this is my first time using the phone, so um, I'm open for suggestions or stuff. Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. See you guys in another video.